Guys, we're seeing the follow through out of this huge falling wedge, making the Algorand price go higher and higher with each week that passes. And also, we are seeing the bullish follow through confirmations out of the anchor waves and trigger waves I already mentioned on my previous Algorand video. So I'm going to show you the video right now, guys. And not only that, guys, we're having another one coming right here, and the money flow crossing above here on the weekly time frame. So this is very, very bullish. This is indicating we should expect, with a very high chance, a huge move to the upside for Algorand. So we have two very bullish signs: the anchor wave and trigger wave confirmation on the weekly time frame, and the money flow crossover. The last time the money crossover happened here, as you can see, we had this move, okay? And still, that was a huge move. Even from there, let's say around here to here, a 9x. I'm not saying we're gonna see a 9x necessarily. I'm just pointing out we're gonna see with a very high chance when this green dot confirms and the money crossover confirms, we're gonna see a huge pump for Algorand, and that would be a great move to the upside. I'm targeting eventually around these levels, in between all of this range, okay, by using that indicator. But if you're also combining that indicator with this huge falling wedge, then you already know that the price target eventually we're gonna reach around that $3 range. So guys, that is going exactly as predicted. And the final target out of this huge falling wedge, guys, will be the top of this falling wedge. So that will be going around, around $3. That will be the target. So stay tuned, guys, because I want to discuss more things to expect for Algorand. And also, I will be showing you more of my trades with Algorand and many other cryptocurrencies. So stay tuned, guys. Hi, guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and the cryptocurrency technical analysis. So before we get started with the Algorand technical analysis YouTube video, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. It really helps out the channel a lot, guys, and I really appreciate your support on my last Algorand video. 770 views, and also increasing my subscriber count by a lot. I really appreciate your very great support, guys. That like causes this massive uptrend on my view count and subscriber count, so I really appreciate it, guys. So it's for exchange for free value from me to you guys. Leave a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys. And also click the bell notifications if you haven't clicked that already, so you can stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, guys. So let's get started, guys. So guys, I'm gonna keep it very simple and very obvious to follow. So of course, we have a very bullish falling wedge that has already broken out to the upside. So when can we exactly expect for this falling wedge target to be met? And what I mean by that is the $3 profit taking level around here. So I usually measure out the time frame in which it takes for the price to complete the pattern target, in this case, by measuring the amount of time this pattern was formed. So I just go from the start of the pattern right here to the breakout, and that gives us around 142 weeks, 994 days. That will be an estimate amount of time we can expect for this full price target to be met. But usually, of course, when you measure out the target in time, you can have the completion of the target beforehand by a lot. So instead of 142 weeks, that can be met in around 100 weeks or even less. That's how usually patterns play out. This same chart you're seeing with Algorand, this already happened with Bitcoin. This huge falling wedge, we have support, resistance, support. It has already broken up to the upside, support, and follow through. And the target technically is the all-time highs for Bitcoin. And that same pattern movement is what I'm expecting with Algorand. Of course, support, resistance, support, support, and then break above and follow through. So we are going to see that $3 level be hit, in my opinion. So with a very, very high chance. So I'm already positioned, so I'm gonna make a lot of money with this move. So I'm just making you aware so you can be preparing based on your own analysis by watching these videos, guys. So in this case, that would take, if I measure out 142 weeks from the breakout out of this pattern, so 142 weeks will give us, let's see, yeah, July 6, 2026, but we can put a 50% less time for this specific pattern. So we will put around 70 weeks. So that will give us next year around February, we should be already on its way to completing the target out of this huge falling wedge for Algorand. So that will be around $3. And that's a big move, because from right now to $3, that is a 13x. And that's insane. That's a lot. And that's not even considering more higher targets. So that would be a conservative approach, in my opinion. It's not financial advice, but in my view, it is a very conservative approach, because just by reaching the previous all-time highs, we're already making a 13x from here. I already bought Algorand around 10 cents. I have taken some profits. I rebought. So I'm very well positioned to make a lot of profits for this next move in a very massive, majestic way. So right now would be a very great time to buy Algorand. It's not financial advice, but this is what the charts are stating that one of the best times will be now. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing and what I'm planning to do and how I view this. So to have more of a precision for next targets, we're gonna measure from the all-time, the start of the price for Algorand to all the way down to its all-time low here, okay? And what we see here, using the Fibonacci retracements, we do see here that we already completed, of course, this pullback. Now we just regained this macro 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. So that is around 19 cents, almost 20 cents. And if we look closer to the target here, we can see that Algorand found very great support on this horizontal orange line. And the reason why I drew that orange line was because of this monthly time frame. We are seeing, of course, very strong support with the monthly body candle closes from here. It bounced heavily from there, and then once it started closing below, the next candle close retested as new resistance, then a pullback. Now it broke above, now regained support 2 times, and now Algorand is very ready to make its next move to the upside very drastically. And the reason why I'm saying that is because of the indicator market cipher. We're seeing here a bullish money crossover on the weekly time frame. And in summary, that's a very bullish sign. The last time that happened was around here when we had the red money flow crossing from red to green. We then had a massive move to the upside. As we can see here, we had the bullish money crossover here. And look at that, boom. We have this massive move to the upside. And we can measure out the target. So that was a 7x. It's 700% out of that money flow crossover. Now, I'm expecting something similar. Why? Because in this specific scenario, the price was far much higher. It was around 34 to 38 cents around that time frame. So now that Algorand is far lower, around 21 cents, yes, we can make that same move again. If we want to be conservative, we can just pull a 300%. So the bullish money crossover crossed from red to green and then red again, but still the red is very close to crossing consistently in the green side. As we saw here, we saw a red, green, red, green, red, and then boom, green to the upside here. And we're seeing something similar happen here also. So by just pumping at 300% from here, that is in perfect confluence with the macro 0.620 Fibonacci tracing, okay? Just in case you're new, what does that mean? Usually, with almost every single very good cryptocurrency, we usually see a pullback, okay? Once we establish that pullback, we usually pump to those yellow lines. And from there, the price will decide if it wants to get rejected from there, or if it can break above here, have new resistance as new support, and then make new all-time highs. So those are the two decisions. If we go here, I'm gonna delete this just for a second here. If we use this range here, we can see here, once we saw the pullback here, boom, where do we go? To those yellow lines, okay? Got rejected on the macro 0.76 Fibonacci trace and the last confirmation for new all-time highs. Support on those yellow lines, another rejection, support, another rejection, support, all of this support, break above support, and now breaking above that macro 0.76 Fibonacci tracing support, support, support. This was the chance which Algorand had to make new all-time highs, but it didn't. It just kept consolidating within the support, and eventually, if you don't move, if you keep retesting support and you just don't follow through, then that means that we're gonna, with a very high chance, to lose that support, which it did here. Rejection, confirming previous support as new resistance, and bear market territory. Okay, and this same scenario, I'm expecting for Algorand to be doing almost the same thing, but in this case, we will be seeing new all-time highs for nets for this cycle. So pullback, and now we're gonna go, okay, we're gonna head to those yellow lines, okay? That's my expectation. That's what I believe it's gonna happen. So just by buying here, you can just get a 300% move from here at 3x, which is not bad at all. It is a very good return on investment. And again, it's not financial advice, but in my view, it's a great opportunity. And if you trade that same move instead of to this golden pocket, those yellow lines, you trade it all the way to the all-time highs, at least to this all-time highs here, 13x. If you trade it to the start of the Algorand price at 15x. So you can see how fast this can multiply once you buy very low here. So this is the buying territory, guys. You don't want to be buying when the price is already around here, because that's not a opportunity. Okay, so that's my view on Algorand. And now we are also seeing a trigger wave on the 2 weekly. Okay, so trigger wave means that once we have a wave around this line, which it has already confirmed, and then the next green dot, when it happens above this line here, then that's a very bullish confirmation. So we have that on the weekly time frame and on the 2 weekly time frame. So that's another bullish sign. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you my trades, guys. So guys, I announced that I was in an Algorand midterm trade on February 17, 2024. And so I mentioned this before the pump when Algorand was at around 18 cents. And I also added another Algorand position, which is also a 5x. And if we go and check out my trade, which would be, I have a lot of trades here because the cryptocurrency market is very bullish. I already verified the markets in their individual charts. And Algorand here, okay? So right now, I'm at a 37.98% profits right now, and I'm aiming higher. So if you want to follow my trades, guys, you can join my Discord group in the description below, which is on the bottom right corner of this screen, which is patreon.com/cryptosolutions. And here you can see when I'm buying long-term, mid-term, short-term, when I'm taking profits, the cryptocurrencies I hold, when I'm buying long-term, and yeah, when I'm buying and selling long-term. So recently, I made the fastest 100% in my life in less than a day. I was trading PNG, which is, I'm going to show you guys exactly when I bought PNG, which was here at February 22, 2024. So I announced at February 22, 2024, a new position, which is PNG. And literally, it was at 8:45 p.m. Then I bought some more at 9:44 p.m. And then the next day, February 23, 2024, I made 100% plus profits on my PNG trade, which was exactly 104.75% profit. So it was really a great day because it was the fastest 100% profits I made. So that was a shout out to Crypto John, because thanks to him, I noticed his new position on a new cryptocurrency. So I was watching the charts and I'm like, wow, so this has a lot of potential. So I just entered the trade, made a quick 100% profits. But full transparency, this doesn't happen that fast usually, okay? Usually it takes me weeks to months to generate 100% in average, you know? So this was the fastest one in less than a day. So I want to share that because it was a very great experience I had. And also, guys, I go into details about overall cryptocurrency market updates. So I cover also many other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Myriad, XRP, Theta, T-Fuel. And so, yeah, if you want to follow my trades, need any help, again, not financial advice. So in this group, I will be giving you a lot of great value in information with trades, with research purposes. So in this group, guys, I share my trades, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, and also share what I'm seeing in the overall cryptocurrency market. For Bitcoin, like short-term update here on my recent Cardano trade, made a quick also 137% move here on my short-term trades. And again, my previous Cardano trades 86% also. On my midterm trades on Theta, I made some great profits here also today. I made 211.90% profits here. And yeah, and many more, guys. I update this Discord group a lot, almost every single day, and many updates on each channel. Not every channel you see here, but a lot on short-term, midterm, and also long-term buying signals that we are also in very great profits, guys. So yeah, and also on my long-term channel here, which dang, we're in very great profits, guys. We bought, literally, the signals happened 1 to 2 months ago, and I was already in position. I already informed my Discord group, and we're already ahead of the market even before those signals. So yeah, patreon.com/cryptosolutions. It is very affordable. I give you far much value than what you're paying for. I cover so many other things, any questions and many other questions you may have, and yeah, staying ahead in the cryptocurrency market, guys. So yeah, guys, so technically speaking, guys, on the short term, we're gonna go to the daily. I'm gonna point out a short-term Fibonacci retracement here, and as we can see, we saw the pullback. We head to those yellow lines here, and now one of the last confirmations for more upside will be, technically speaking, once Algorand can break above this local 0.76 Fibonacci retracement, that will be breaking above 22 cents, to be exact 0.2260 cents, breaking above, holding support, and then that's where the next target will be this macro 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. So that will be around 34 cents. Okay, so be aware that this can happen very fast because Algorand is showing a lot of very bullish signs. So be aware and take action quickly if you're looking to trade this. I'm not telling you what to do, but be aware, be vigilant, that don't take too long because you may miss the trade based on your own plans. So yeah, guys, that will be it for today's Algorand technical analysis YouTube video. I really appreciate your support, and I am very grateful for you taking the time to watch this whole video. like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends so you can stay ahead using my cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, and also click the bell notifications to stay ahead in the cryptocurrency market using my cryptocurrency technical analysis YouTube video, guys. And also, guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube video, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.